Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Ticketek app not working. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to try to launch your Ticketek account using a stable internet connection right there in your mobile phone. Okay, so if first this is a tutorial for mobile phones. All right, so try to launch the Ticketek account with a stable internet connection. You need to be sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have it, then you're going to have problems with opening your Ticketek application. So once you're sure that the internet connection is strong but it's not still working, then here are a few steps that you can take. First, you will need to clear your cache from your system itself. Clear your cache to ensure that the Ticketek application is free from bugs. So what you do, just head over to your phone settings, and then check on manage applications. Once you search manage applications, you're going to find your applications. Go ahead and check Ticketek. Open that up by clicking on it, and then you're going to see an option to clear cache. So clear cache and free the application of bugs. So once you've done that, try to open the application again. If it's still not working, then here's something else that you would do. For some phones, they call it reboot. For some phones, they call it restart. So whichever way, reboot or restart your phone, whatever terminology that works for you. So once you have done that, you've restarted your phone, then it should be free enough to work. But if you try to open it after restarting your phone and it's still not working, then you will need to check for updates. So head over to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store, wherever you downloaded the app from. Search for the application, and once you search for Ticketek. If you see a button that says you should update, then it means you have to update. Click on the update button and update your application. After updating it, it should definitely work. But if it doesn't, then the last thing that you have to do is to uninstall and reinstall the application. So just ensure that you have the login details at your fingertips. So uninstall, and once you uninstall, then reinstall. And after reinstalling, you should get back into Ticketek. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video helped you search.